Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change phone number in Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and now you want to change your phone number, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Snapchat app, and here you just go to your profile in the top left corner, just tap on it, and here just select settings option in the top right corner, and here you just have to select the mobile number option, and here you have to remove your first phone number, and here you have to enter your second phone number which you want to add. Let's see this one, and after that just tap on verify and you will get a verification code on your phone number. Just enter that, and then your phone number will be successfully changed into Snapchat app. So that's how you can easily change phone number in Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.